Welcome to Patrick and Rain's CPA's Year-End Tax Series. I'm Chelsea Mitra, and today we will be talking about the 1099s that you may need to file or that you may receive for 2025. There are two main forms of 1099s. Form 1099 NEC, used for non-employee compensation, and Form 1099 MISC, or miscellaneous, used for miscellaneous payments like rent or prizes. Some examples of who may need to file Form 1099 include sole proprietors, S corporations, partnerships, limited liability company or LLCs, and corporations. Form 1099 NEC is for reporting payments of $600 or more to any non-employee or anyone not on your payroll. Think freelancer, contractors, or even attorneys. As a business owner, and as we enter the end of the year, it's time to think, did you pay a graphic designer, a bookkeeper, a one-time project consultant? If they're not incorporated and you paid $600 or more, you likely need to file a Form 1099 NEC. Now let's talk 1099 MISC. Form 1099 MISC is for reporting miscellaneous payments of $600 or more. You'll use this form to report rent payments, medical and healthcare payments, royalties, prizes and awards, and payments to attorneys, but not for legal fees. That goes on the NEC. When it comes to attorney fees, this can get confusing. Legal services provided are considered non-employee payments and are reported on 1099 NEC. Settlement payments made would be considered a miscellaneous payment, and this would be reported on the 1099 MISC box 10 to be specific. That's true even if they're incorporated. Here are some tasks that you will need to complete to start preparing your 1099s for 2025. Gather W-9s from vendors. Review payments. Organize vendor data. Use tracking tools. And save supporting documents. You may be wondering how to file the 1099s for your business. Start by going to efilemyforms.com and logging in. Once there, select the form needed and add a filer. Enter or upload the data needed for the form. Once entered, review and submit the data. We have included a video link with instructions in the PowerPoint slides, and we'll also provide a link in the description of this video. As always, if you run into any questions, please feel free to call our office. Important deadlines to remember. February 2nd, 2026, provide 1099 NEC to the IRS and recipients. Provide 1099 MISC to recipients if there are no amounts listed in either boxes 8 or 10. Please note that this date is generally January 31st, however that falls on a Saturday in 2026, thus the February 2nd deadline. February 17th, if there are amounts reported on boxes 8 or 10, provide 1099 MISC to recipients. February 28, 2026, file paper 1099 MISC with the IRS. March 31st, 2026, file electronic 1099 MISC with the IRS. If a deadline is missed, you could face penalties, up to $60 per form, with it increasing after 30 days. Some additional 1099s you may receive could include Form 1099K. This form is used to report payments received by a payment card, and third-party transactions such as PayPal, Venmo, or online marketplaces such as eBay, Etsy, Uber, and etc. A second form could be 1099 DA. This form specifically is for digital asset proceeds from broker transactions in the tax year. Here are some upcoming changes starting in 2026. 1099K thresholds will increase from the $600 originally planned threshold to the $20,000 and 200 or more transactions. 1099 DA. For sales occurring in 2025, brokers will be required to report sales of digital assets on 1099 DA. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions regarding 1099s, reach out to us at Patrick and Rain CPAs. We're here to help you close the year with confidence.